Welcome back. Now you do have promotional tools available to you through your channel. And so to access them, what you're going to do is when you're logged into your YouTube account, you're going to go to this left side menu. You're going to click this link that says My Channel. When you get to that area, you're going to notice a couple of things. The first thing you're going to notice is that you're going to have some artwork that you can alter. So what you're going to do is go to the right side and you're going to see this pencil and you're going to click on it. You're going to click this link that says Edit Channel Art. Now basically then you have a recommended channel art size. So this is something that if you want to have created on Fiverr or some other site, you can do that, or if you already know how to create your own graphics, you can have one created, but you definitely do want to have it at this size. Now for the sake of this video, we're just going to select a random photo. Once you have your image in, YouTube will show you what it looked like generally on anyone's desktop, on their television, or on their mobile device. You can click this link that says Adjust the Crop so that you'll be able to see how you can structure the view. You'll then have an image on your channel. Now one thing you can do is you can have your image created with a call to action on the actual image. Now, another thing you can do is you can change your profile. So what we can do here is we can click this pencil. And YouTube is reminding us that when we change this image, it's going to be connected to our entire brand. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Edit. And we're going to find the photo that we want to use. Once we have our photo, we'll then click Done. We can then return to our channel. You will see then that your profile has then updated. So you've now done the graphical element of customizing your channel. In the next video, we'll look at the other customization elements for your channel. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now once you've taken care of the graphical elements in your channel, what you can do is you can click this button that says Customize Channel. When you click that button, it's going to take you to another view of your channel. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to this gear. And you want to make sure that all of these settings are the way that you want them if you want to keep the default settings. Once you've done that, you'll then click Save. Now the other thing you can do is you can then click the About area. When you click the About area, you're going to be able to add in some detail. For example, you're going to be able to customize your description. And again, you want to be aware that this description is going to also appear on YouTube for your channel. Once you've completed your description, you can then click Done. You can also write in a specific email where you want inquiries to go about your content. And so you can add that email here in this area. If you want to add in a support email, you can do that. Once you have your email address in, you can then click Done. You can also add links to your channel, and these can be promotional links. You can click this arrow, and you can add in custom links that will appear as icons on your channel. So for example, we can click in and put in a URL. Okay, what you'll note is that you can overlay on top of your custom art on your channel, so that means that they'll be clickable on top of the channel that your people will be seeing. And so once you have all of your sites in, you're then going to click Done. And then your content will then be available. And you'll also notice your icons here on top of your channel. You can also arrange your content on your channel. For example, what you can do is you can feature a certain video. You can add a heading and then click Save. You can also decide on which videos are going to appear. You can either have your latest activity or your latest upload. Once you've completed what you want your channel front to look like, you can then click Done. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, if you are creating your channel primarily to do your live streams, one thing that you can do is you can do a channel trailer, and that will introduce people to what you're going to be talking about, will introduce people to the content that they're going to see both live and recorded if they subscribe. And the way you get to the channel trailer is going to be when you come to the front page of your channel, you're going to notice two sides. YouTube is going to show you what people are going to see if they are a returning subscriber. They're also going to show you what people are going to see if they are new visitors to your channel page. And you're going to click that link. When you get there, what you're going to notice is that there's a button here for a channel trailer. And basically, this is going to be a video. Now, it doesn't have to be a live video. It's going to be a video that you're going to record, and you're going to tell people what they are about to see on your channel. And once you have that content ready, all you'll need to do is to come to this button. You'll click, and then you'll be asked to grab a video that is already on your channel. That means then when you upload the video, you're going to need to decide whether or not the video is going to be unlisted. You're going to need to decide whether or not the video is going to be public. That means then that when you upload the video, you need to decide if it's going to be a public video or if it's going to be unlisted, and you only want it to be seen on your channel trailer. And once you have your video in place, your channel trailer is then ready. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, one of the ways that you get more people to view your content is to get them to subscribe to your channel. And of course, they can come to any of your videos and subscribe to your channel, or they can come to your channel page and then they can find the subscribe button. We can also give people a persistent link to your subscribe area so that they can subscribe. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your channel button and get your channel address. Now, once we have our channel link, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make it look like the link that's at the bottom here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this information and we're going to copy it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put it at the end of the backslash on our channel. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take this entire URL, we're going to copy it, and then we're going to distribute this to those whom we want to subscribe. And so once they get this URL, they put it into their browser, and then when they click the link, what's going to happen is they're going to be brought to this page, and then they're going to be asked to confirm their channel subscription.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to create,
and they'll then be able to confirm. And that is then how you would create your channel link to distribute it to other individuals to subscribe to your channel. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, one of the things that you'll want to do is you want to make sure your live stream recording is distributed widely. And so to do that, you may need to make sure that all of the information in it is going to be appropriate. And so to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Creator Studio. Once you get inside of your Creator Studio, what you're going to do is you're going to find the live stream that you did, and you're then going to click the Edit button. Once you click that Edit button, you're going to notice an element at the top that says Enhancements. And there are two things you're going to be able to do here. You're going to be able to blur faces, and you're going to be able to start that process by clicking the Edit button. Now, this is a process that YouTube is going to go through, and it's going to take some processing time for it to complete. So that entire process for that video took about 8 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to close out the timer, and then we're going to select the faces of the individuals that we want to have blurred. We can decide to just select them all, and then this will blur their faces throughout the entire video. We can deselect them all and then choose only those that we want to be blurred. We can also choose specific areas of our video to be blurred. So we click this Edit button. What's going to happen is we're going to then select where we want the blurring to occur. In this case, we can select the objects that we want to have blurred. And when we find one, we can just drag out our bar and then click Done. We do that. Once it's been applied, we can save this, and we can have this video saved in place, or we can save it entirely as a new video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video. Now, in the same way that you used a thumbnail when you were promoting your live stream, you can promote the recording also with the same or a similar thumbnail. And all you'll need to do is to go into edit your video. And then you'll see here at the bottom that there is an area that says custom thumbnail. What you'll do then is click this button, and you will then upload your image. Once you do that, all you'll need to do is to click Save Changes. And then your thumbnail will be the front of your video when you go inside of the Video Manager, and you can see it here, and you look at it on your channel, and you'll see it here. And you do want to make sure that you have your thumbnail available, mainly because it makes your video stand out and it makes it more watchable. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another. Welcome back. Now, something that you can do to promote your previous live streams is to provide an end screen that gives viewers clickable access to them on a video that they are watching. So in order to do that, you're going to go up to your Creator Studio, and you're going to open up the edit screen in one of your videos. Once you get there, you're then going to click End Screen and Annotations. Now, YouTube is going to come to the very end of your video where you can place in your end screen or samples of your other videos or live streams. So for example, on the end screen, what we can do is click Add Element. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a video or a playlist. And we can do any number of things. We can either choose the videos, we can choose the most recent upload, or we can make the best choice for the viewer. And in this case, it's YouTube making that selection. So in most cases, we're just going to choose the video or a playlist. In this case, we're going to choose the video, and this is how it's going to appear at the end of your video. We can move this video so that it appears in another part of the video, just in case this would block something that they're going to see at the end. We can also do is we can use other templates. So for example, what we can do is we can click Use Template. In this case, what we can say is we want to have 2 videos on our end screen. And so when we do that, we're then going to click Select. And then this is going to replace the current end screen with the selected template. That means then that now what we need to do is we need to choose 2 different videos that are going to be part of the end screen. So we click inside, get one of the videos we want. Now when we do that, then YouTube is going to select the other video. You can go back to your template, and you can actually create other views, including for videos. Now in this particular case, we're going to replace our current screen. We're then going to choose our videos. Once we do that, then YouTube will choose the other 3 that are going to be part of your end screen. So basically, now we've given clickable access to our other content as the individual is watching our recording. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.